Have you ever wondered why so many companies are moving from Selenium to the Playwright? You will often hear people say that Playwright is faster than Selenium, but is it really true? Well, the answer is yes, but only to some extent. So one of the reasons is the way these two automation framework communicates with the actual browser. Selenium and Playwright have completely different architectures, and that difference in the communication can reduce some overhead in the Playwright. So we should not conclude that Playwright is dramatically faster and Selenium is very slow. That is not true. So communication architecture may save few milliseconds in certain operation in case of Playwright, but overall execution time of your automation completely depends on many other factors. For example, it depends upon your application performance, browser rendering, your network latency, how you have designed your test cases, how you have used synchronization strategy in your framework, and many other things. So in practice, Playwright often feels faster because of the features like auto waiting, browser context, and it reduces the test flakiness also. This is not just because of the communication architecture. So first, let's understand how Selenium works. Selenium follows the W3C WebDriver protocol, which is the standard way by which automation tools can communicate with the web browser. So in the communication flow, if you see, you write your Selenium test script. This test script contains different commands like click command, send keys, or get text. Selenium will convert these commands into the WebDriver request. Now these requests are given to the browser specific driver. So if you are automating on the Chrome, then Selenium uses the Chrome driver. For Firefox, it uses Gecko driver. For Microsoft Edge, it uses Edge driver. Okay, so let's take example of Chrome. Your Selenium commands are converted into the WebDriver request. These requests are sent to the Chrome driver. Now Chrome driver then translate those requests into the commands that Chrome browser can understand. And after the conversion, finally these commands will be sent to the Chrome browser. So you can think of Chrome driver as a translator. Imagine you only speak English, but browser only understand another language. Browser do not understand English. So first, what you have to do is, you first communicate with the translator. The translator will convert that language, English language, into one that browser can understand. Playwright follows a complete different approach. Instead of relying on the browser specific drivers like Chrome driver, Gecko driver, Playwright communicate directly with the browser using its native browser automation protocol. So in the communication flow, you write your Playwright test script. That script communicates with the Playwright Automation Engine. The Playwright Automation Engine then communicates directly with the browser using its native browser automation protocol. So for Chromium based browsers, Playwright uses the Chrome DevTools Protocol, commonly known as CDP. For Firefox and WebKit, it uses their own native browser automation protocol. So the direct communication can reduce some of the overhead in the execution and is one of the reasons Playwright can feel more efficient and faster than the Selenium. Now, is Playwright faster than Selenium? Yes, Playwright can be slightly faster in some scenarios because it communicates with the browser using native browser automation protocol instead of a separate WebDriver executable. However, overall execution of your automation speed depends upon many other factors, including your speed of your application under test, browser rendering, network conditions, and how you have designed your framework, how you have designed your test cases, and your synchronization strategies. So it's a good thing if you already know Selenium Java, start learning Playwright with the TypeScript. So thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video soon.